Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna tell you about myself and about Edelweiss flower. And my name is Firgiawan Puakama. They call me Iggy. I'm 20 years old. My birthday is 27 September. I live in Manado. I'm studying in Manado State Polytechnic. My majoring is Mechanical Engineering Department, study program D4, Maintenance and Repair, class 3D. Okay, and now I'm gonna tell you about Edelweiss flower. Edelweiss flower, this flower so famous in Indonesia. But why? Many couple in Indonesia that give Edelweiss to their beloved. But now it's forbidden because Edelweiss flower scared because many people that take this flower when they are going to the mountain and hiking. Yes, you're right. It is Edelweiss flower. This flower famous with its symbolism that Edelweiss flower. This flower can wither and not needed more water like another plant and another flower in the world. This flower has a scientific name Anapalis javanica, or sometimes people call this flower with the name Senduro flower. Edelweiss flower is a endemic flower in Alpine zone or Montana zone. In every mountain in Indonesia, this plant can hike until 8 meters. Edelweiss flower is a pioneer for young volcanic land in mountain forests and can hold out for their life in the top of the intertidal land. Edelweiss flower appears in April until August. This flower is favorite place to Nestle Myoconus glaucinus birds. The place to see beautiful Edelweiss is in Tegal, alun in Papandayan Mountain, alun-alun Surya Kencana in Gede Mountain, alun-alun Mandalawangi in Pangrango Mountain, and Pelawangan Sembalun in Rinjani Mountain. Okay, thank you for great attention. Thank you for watching my video. If I get a mistake, please forgive me. And as I say, I hope you can get a great day. I'm Iggy and back to you. See you. Goodbye.